guys? Mechanics Garage coming at you. Your boy Marty McFly. We're doing some late night stuff because we're bored right now, so we're gonna make a video. So what we did is we found a replacement or like an add-on piece for this this door panel here. This is a 2024 Ford Bronco Big Bend Edition. This process should work for any model of the new Ford Broncos. I think they came out in 21 or 22, something like that. So this should work for any one of those years. So we got this little custom cover here, which gives us more of a bigger door panel on our door. Put stuff in. So we got this right here. It's made out of steel, and I believe we can probably just take the screws out, put this bad boy right on top like so, which will give us a bigger pocket. We'll have a space to put stuff down there, plus this the netting that's here. So we're gonna go ahead and take this one off after we move all this junk out of here, and put this one on. All right, we went ahead and grabbed us a grocery bag so we can go through all this crap that's in this door. Looks like a bunch of papers and receipts and straws, and oh, look at that, found 10 bucks. It's gonna go in my pocket. And we'll move all this stuff out of here. All this junk. That's all it is to me. It's just junk. Oh, look at that. Some strawberry jam from Popeyes. All right, so let's see what size we got here. This looks like a T30, so this is the Torx. Most Broncos come with tool kits that'll give you a Torx set where you can take these off, but we've got our own. So we're gonna go ahead and use that and break these loose and then take these off. Yeah, like I always recommend, if you got a magnetic tray, use it so you won't lose these screws. You know, get it, use it or lose it. It's got 6, so we'll make sure we got 6 when we take them apart. All right, got all our screws off. So this should just pull off of here simply, and it does. Pop these out, because I want to see, should we keep the net or just use this by itself? So with the net, it had these little pins to help hold it in place. So I want to see if this thing sits on here flush. It does. It sits on there flush. Good fit. So we're going to go ahead and put our screws back in without the net. Cool. As you see, we're putting it back in. Got the last screw here. I'm just gonna snug them down. Don't want to put them on too tight. Yeah, check that out. We'll see how it looks when you close the door. We're going through the back seat so we can see how that lines up. That looks good. Cool beans. Yeah, we're gonna put all our stuff back here that's in this door. Put it all back. All this junk and paper. You have a much bigger pocket now. That's this. We're gonna go ahead and do the passenger side too. Like I said, it was pretty simple. We got these online at an online auction site that we probably spent. These are normally probably about 60 bucks because, like I said, these are metal. We spent like $6 on these. We won them on the auction. So looks good. That's it. So catch us on the next one.